Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix error code 529 on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using, but in this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome. Now just go ahead and search for status.roblox.com. So this is the official status website of Roblox. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and scroll down, and if there's an error here, that may be the reason why you are experiencing the error 529. But here, as you can see, I don't have any error on my system right now. And if you're still experiencing the error 529, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click here on your start button. So you want to right click on that, click on network connections, and you need to make sure that your device is connected on a internet. Okay? So once you are sure that your device is connected to the internet, just go ahead and click here at the network troubleshooter. So just go ahead and let your device do its thing. And here you just want to choose all network adapters. Click on next and just go ahead and wait for it again. So let's just wait. So here, just go ahead and type I'm trying to reach a specific website or folder on a network. So just go ahead and enter the address or path you are trying to connect to. Okay, so just go ahead and type roblox.com like that. Then after, let's just try roblox.com and click on next. So here, troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. Okay, so let's just go ahead and close this. So now you can just, the next thing that you can do is to just go ahead and reboot your computer or your device and also your router. Then after that, just go ahead and try again to open your Roblox and try playing a game, and that should help you, okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.